Although Beauty Blender is great to use in large areas and small areas, there are other areas in the face that are just, well, smaller. So I'd like to introduce to you my latest baby, the Micro Mini. It's a mini beauty blender with a laser focus. A perfect tool for highlighting and contouring, and you can use it the same way you use a beauty blender with cream foundation, liquid foundation, and concealers and highlighters. Micro Mini is the same exact material that Beauty Blender is made of. It has an open cell structure, and it's 360 degrees of flawless makeup application. The laser focus of Micro Mini allows you to really define and sculpt your contouring and at the same time blend it. So right now I'm going to highlight and lift her cheekbones by applying the highlight on the upper cheek. I'm going to lift and define her eyebrow by highlighting under her brow bone. And I'm going to create light, a streak of light up and down her nose to help sculpt her nose. So use Beauty Blender Micro Mini to emphasize and enhance the features you want to show, but it's also a really great tool to help you reshape some features you may not feel so great about.